first video of the new year and I'm so excited. So today I wanted to go over with you and show you the Makeup Revolution London gift box I got for Christmas. There's so many amazing things inside here that I just thought I couldn't really go over them properly in my what I got for Christmas video. So I wanted to go over them properly with you in a separate video and actually go through each item and show you them properly. So if you want to see that, make sure you stick around. So the first thing you see when you open the box is this, and that is so aesthetically pleasing. It is absolutely gorgeous. It looks so cute. I can't actually tell you how much this is because obviously I don't know because I got it as a Christmas present. It has 12 different packaged items in this box. I'm going to start off with this palette here. This is the first one here, and it is the Revolution Rainbow Metallics Shadow Palette. I hate opening these boxes because they're just so pretty. I don't want to ruin any of them. I really love the red on the back of it. It's so bold, it's so bright, and it's so different. So this is the inside, and it's got 10 shades in here. I'm absolutely in love with this one here, this white one. I think it'd do really nice to the inner corners of my eyes. I feel like this green's like a very different one I've never tried before, so that'd be quite interesting. This one here, that is absolutely gorgeous, and so is this one here. This one, that's the, you can see that's that rose gold one underneath, that one there. So the next one I've got is the translucent pressed powder that comes in this box. This is such a lovely magenta colour for the box. So inside here it comes like that. It looks so cute. I haven't tried this out yet, which is a translucent pressed powder for all skin tones. So that's quite cool. That's what it looks like. And it's such a fine powder, and like it's, yeah, I really like this. I cannot wait to try it out properly though, but it looks really good. So I won't be putting any of these like in my makeup bag or anything because I wouldn't want to separate the set like that. I just really upset my OCD. So the next thing I've got is this eye primer. So this is the box, and then I'm going to open it up. We've got two primers in this kit. The first one is an eye primer, and this is what it looks like there, and I'll show you it. I haven't used this one yet either, and it's really nice because it's a really good like shade. It did come on with an eye brush set. It comes with 3 brushes here that are all for your eyes. I'm loving the colours and the style of them. They wouldn't be brushes that I'd go to, you know, as like my go-to brushes, but I definitely will be using them. So you can see this is like more of a slanted one. This is more of a bushy one, this is quite a flat one. So they're all good for different purposes, and they will all definitely come in very useful. The next item is the eyeliner eye defining kit. So I rarely ever do anything like eyeliner because I don't have the steadiness in the hand, and I don't have the skill or coordination to do it. So I feel like it's been quite interesting using these and trying them out. This has come with a brush, so I don't know if this is actually meant to be in the brush kit. I'm not sure, but I'm going to put it back in there anyway, but it's a really thin brush. And then here I've got 2. I've got a brown and I've got a black. I don't really use brown on my eyes because I feel like black defines them a lot better, so I may be giving this one to my mum because I know she prefers brown. This black one here, I'm going to unpackage it for you so you can see it a little bit better. So I'm taking it off. Oh, that's quite nice. It's got a really nice like point to it. I'll try using it on the back of my hand. That's really oh, I really like that. Look at that. That's like a solid. It's not like a really faint one. It's a real harsh black line. I really like that. I cannot wait to try that one out. So I next have Illuminating Fixing Spray. I didn't want to use any of this stuff until I'd done the box, until I'd showed you all this. But this one I'm so excited to use. And there's a decent size as well to it. Decent size spray, and it looks really cool. Like, look at the bottle, it looks so cool. Like, I love the rose gold effect on the black. It's such a big contrast. So the next item in my box is this illuminating primer. So like I said, it comes with 2 primers, one for the face and one for the eyes. You can see there, it's quite a big tube. Oh, look at that. It's quite thick, so that looks quite good. So yeah, illuminating primer. The blush and highlight palette. So this one again has the red back like the other one does there. Blush and highlight palette, there are 8 colours. So you've got 4 blushes and 4 highlights. I'm not a big blusher fan because my face looks red quite a lot of the time anyway, so I don't want to add that to it. I think in the summer I'm probably more likely to use it by like more like sun-kissed looks. The highlights are so pretty, and I will obviously try the blushes out as well, but I'm not a big person for those. The next item I got is the Matte Neutrals Shadow Palette. This one looks so nice. I've been kind of needing like the kind of palette like this for a while because I've got a lot of palettes but I don't have that many of like nudes and neutral colours on, especially with the dark browns and the blacks. That one I'm definitely need to use, like those two. This one, and like they just all look so nice. Like you could make such a nice sunset with these two. So I'm so excited to play around and just get, I love like the classy black as well of the case. Next is the Bronze and Contour palette. This one looks so cool. And if you open it up, how nice is that? Like, you've got so many different shades for contouring, and then they're just so glittery and so pigmented. They're so nice. Next is the Smoke and Shimmer palette. This is quite similar to the Matte Neutrals one, apart from it's more of a glitter and more of a fancy look. It's kind of a bit more of an extra look, but it's still neutrals. So it's got more glitters and just fancy colours, which are so nice. And I definitely want to try these out and kind of like try go for like a smoky look with them, because I don't really have that many colours that would go that well for a smoky look. And the final item I got in here is a lip gloss trio. I'm not a massive lip gloss fan just because things on my lips kind of freak me out a little bit, but these colours, like, I've been more okay with it with more natural colours, and these colours are so nice. So I'll show you these three. So these are the three here, and they're all quite natural, like nude and, you know, low-key, if that makes sense. So I'm going to try these out in a video very soon. But I'm very tempted to do a video on, you know, doing my full face just with things out of here, because I could easily do it. There's so much in there. I may have to like get like a Revolution foundation. I'd use my normal foundation and like kind of cheat because it doesn't come with a foundation. That's the only thing it doesn't come with, really, let's be honest. But thank you so much for watching this video. I really enjoyed it. I hope you have too, and I'll see you guys very soon. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Bye guys.